Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you have encountered mscoree not found error, then watch this video for the solutions. So the solutions are very simple. First we need to enable the .NET framework. For that we'll go to features, turn Windows features on or off, and then we will make sure that these two .NET folders are completely checked. So here it is, .NET framework 3.5. Check both these boxes, and .NET Framework 4.8, make sure these boxes are checked. WCF services, make sure these boxes are checked, and then click on OK. Now it will be searching for the required files and it will install them, applying changes, and it should finish anytime now. Now once that is done, you need to run the SFC scan. So we'll go to command prompt. I forgot to run it as administrator. Right click, run as administrator. Very important folks, to run it as administrator in the elevated command, and enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to finish. And you see this Windows features that we have turned on the .NET framework. Windows completed the requested changes. Awesome. So we will just click on the start button, click on the options power button, and click on restart, and then you should not have this .dll error again. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.